all, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a very easy greeting card which you just know. So the materials needed are one Fevicol, one red sketch pen, one black marker, one pencil, one heart template which I have cut from a thick sheet, then two white hearts, two small sheets of white and red paper, no measurement needed, just they should be square, one ribbon, one scissor, one eraser, one scale and one red sheet. So let's start with the tutorial. First we will take this sheet of paper and fold it into half like this. Once I folded it into half, now I will take my heart template here and I will open it, and here I will draw two hearts like this. This way, with the help of this template, I will be drawing the heart. For making the heart you just need a sheet of 5 by 5 centimeter and draw a normal heart. And the second heart I will draw here like this. So now the hearts look like this, and now we have to cut them. For cutting them I will just insert the scissor in here and we will cut it out like this. Like this I've cut one heart, and now here the second heart I will also cut like this. So like this I have cut both the heart and they look very pretty. So now I will keep it like this, and I will with the help take this template on a white sheet and just cut two hearts of the same size, and now we have to paste them here on this spot like this, and it will be like this here. So what we'll do is we'll keep it like this and paste the Fevicol. Just pasting a little amount of glue. Now what I'll do is I'll just get it on here, take it inside from this and paste it like this. Then the second heart also paste it like this and push it inside, because we want it inside, not outside. So it will look like a 3D effect. Now what we have to do is, with the help of a scale and pencil, we will draw two lines connecting both the hearts here at a point where they'll intersect each other. So I've drawn it, and now I will do it with a marker so that you guys can see it better. Like this I have done it. Looks quite pretty. And now what I will do is I will take the ribbon and I will paste the ribbon here at the intersecting point. Paste it like this, and now what we will do is we will open the page, and some glue is stuck here, so I'll remove it. And now on these two hearts we have to write Happy Valentine's Day. Now I'll write Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day here. And now with the red sketch pen I will draw hearts here and here. Now I'll close it, and here we have space. So now with these sheets we will create a paper flower. First I will take this, fold it like this, again fold it like this, and again fold it like this. I don't need a big size, just a small one. And we'll cut it out. So now I'll open it, and it's like this. Now what I'll do is I will take this sheet and I will fold it to half like this, and some extra part is being left, so I'll cut it out. Again into half. That's a very thick sheet, so I would suggest you to use a little less thick sheet. Now I will trace. Now I've cut it out and I've got this flower, and I'll open it also. And I will paste this on this. I will fold both of them a bit for a 3D effect, and now I will apply glue on it. And stick this on this. Fold it and press it hard, and now we'll stick it. Just apply some glue on this part and paste it here. Now what I'll do is I have cut out a small heart, and in the center of it I will stick the heart which is cut out of the heart punch. Just stick it like this, and your very beautiful and pretty greeting card is ready like this. And it looks very pretty. So like, subscribe and share, and comment down below how was the video, and bye guys, meet you in my next video.